Hi, today in front of me TECNO Spark 10 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. So now we could see here information about battery temperature, and in my case that's 33 and 4 degrees. And also we got here more info like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.